Bigyan natin ng opinion, reaction itong post ni The Political Blogger. Sabi niya, no, she is not a champion of press freedom and free speech. She wants to stifle any speech that threatens to expose her lies. Tungkol ito sa kaso na isinampa ni Senator Risa Hontiveros sa mga vloggers, 12 vloggers, kaya lahat ata sila mga pro-Duterte. So, isinare ni Political Blogger ang response ni Teo Moreno, isa sa mga nasampan ng kasong cyber libel. So, ito, ang Facebook account ni Teo Moreno suspended ng isang buwan. Kaya, dito siya nagpost sa All Right. Teo Moreno on Senator Risa Hontiveros cyber libel complaint. Senator Hontiveros, who often brands herself as a champion of free speech and democratic values, is now taking legal action against bloggers, including myself, simply because our statements challenge her narrative and political theater. It is not cyber libel to summarize or comment on the testimony of her own witness presented during a public Senate hearing. The information we refer to is already in the public domain. It is within every citizen's right to critically analyze, question, and express opinions about statements made in an official taxpayer-funded inquiry. What Senator Hontiveros is doing is not about accountability, it is about silencing dissent. Instead of responding to legitimate criticism or inconsistencies raised by the public, she now resorts to legal harassment, hoping to intimidate voices who dare to question her. If she truly stands for truth, transparency, and public service, then she should welcome scrutiny, not weaponize laws to protect her image. The role of a senator is not to be above criticism, but to remain answerable to the people. It is not our job to protect a narrative. It is our duty to speak truthfully, ask questions, and hold power to account even when it makes people in high positions uncomfortable. Senator Risa, instead of filing cyber libel cases against your critics, do your job honestly and with less politicking. The people are not interested in your drama. They want solutions, not suppression. Ito, my one punch line. Mabigat ito. Hindi ka pa nga naging presidente, abusive and oppressive ka na. Ulitin ko Di ba nagpahayag naman siya na tatakbong presidente sa 2020. Hindi ka pa nga naging presidente, abusive and oppressive ka na. Yan. Statement yan ni Teo Moreno, posted dito sa I will not be silent. I will do the necessary once I receive this subpoena. Thank you, Teo Moreno. Yan. Official statement of Teo Moreno. Ulitin ko, ang page na ginamit niya is All Right. Mga 1 week, 3 weeks pa siguro bago natin matunghayan ulit yung page ni Teo Moreno. Okay, magbasa tayo sa mga comments. Efren Batino. It is because the truth that does not mind being challenged The lies does not like being questioned. Senador nga, maskara, shame on you. Okay. Kaba, sabi, practice what you preach daw, sabi ni Idol Robin Padilla, Madam Senator Risa. Dang Aspiras, feeling victim na naman yan, dyan siya magaling para tatakpan ang mga anomaly na pinaggagawa. Angendrala, when there's fire, of course, there's smoke. Smoke will still continue to come out even if you have put out the big fire kasi meron pa sa ilalim yan causing the smoke. Medyo mabibigat itong mga hindi ko na lang basahin yung iba, mabibigat na salita laban kay Senador. Ito, Roger Kinok, good job and idea sir, stand firm for the right, just and tama lang yun na. Okay, sino ba yung nagsabi? Si Joey Dibibre, isa ring kinasuhan. Sabi niya, wag kayo pumasok sa politika kung ayaw nyong napupuna. Sino pa? Si Sasasot. Sabi niya, Risa, bakit kami lang na mga vloggers ang kinasuhan mo? Bakit yung mainstream media hindi mo kinasuhan? Kasi, ang basihan ni Sas na nag-share yung video ni Karine, ipinost yun ng GMA 7. So dahil ipinost na ng GMA7, isinare din ni Sas Rogando Sasot. Kaya, tanong, si Sas Rogando Sasot na nag-share lang ng post ng GMA7 ay kinasuhan ng cyber libel. Bakit ang GMA7 na mismo nag-post? Nakita ko yung post mismo, isinare niya, pinakita ni Sas. Bakit hindi kasuhan ang mainstream media? Halos lahat ng mainstream media nag-post nun Marami akong nakita. Bakit mga vloggers lang na pro Duterte ang kinasuhan? Yun ang tanong. Okay, good luck Teo Moreno at saka iba pang vloggers na nakasuhan.